In this map, we're going to start by doing what we should be doing all the time instead of what we have been doing, and that's starting by saving your work. Mom always said, eat your veggies. Geography professor says, always save your work. And so we need to start by saving our work, because the last thing we want to do is to get all the way to the end, hit the back button by accident, and then lose everything. This is going to be called earthquake epicenters and physiographic regions. Boy, that's a long one. G327. In terms of our everything else as is, save the map, and let's go make it. So we'll zoom into Indiana, per usual, and go to our add data. We're going to search for layers, change from My Content to ArcGIS Online. We're going to then search for data only in our area, and we're going to do earthquake Indiana map, all one word. And we should get at the top seismic earthquake epicenters. We want that one. Add it to the map. Now we're going to go up and add the physiographic regions. So we'll search physiographic regions. And we'll do the same one. It's going to take us just a little bit to scroll. We'll do the same one we have been doing. It's this one here, Alina Stevens NRCS. Add that to the map. Zoom out just a little bit, make sure we get the whole state. Now the map is a little bit cluttered with the text. You can get rid of that. It does not matter. We'll go do the perform analysis. Summarize data. Aggregate points. And so what we're going to do here is we're trying to find out which of our physiographic regions has the highest count or the highest number of earthquake epicenters found within it. Curious question here. So let's find out. So we'll leave everything as is. So it should say seismic earthquake there. Should be polygon. Should be do. Keep areas with no points. Yep. Leave everything else as is. And so we get down to the bottom. And then we can get down to the result layer name. We're going to have to change the name because it's got some characters in it that are bad. And so that's where we're going to put earthquake epicenters and physiographic regions. So it's very important you do that, because that'll get rid of that exclamation point error code or error message there. So now we're going to run the analysis. And about 1 minute and 30 seconds that took, and I'm going to change my symbology just like we did beforehand, and I'm going to change to a choropleth pattern instead of the graduated symbols. And then I'm going to do symbology, whatever as far as color. I'll let you choose that one. Classify data. In the cartography class, we'll explain why and what that's all about, but just jack it up to the highest number. So I think it's 10 maybe. I don't know what it'll do. 6 it looks like is the highest it'll do. And then click OK. Click Done. And that's what we got. So we now know where the epicenters of earthquakes are most likely to be found. Not in northern Indiana. Not really there in southeastern Indiana, but most certainly there in southwestern Indiana, and that's all related to the proximity to the New Madrid Fault over here in this particular area of the country. So for this particular map, let's go back up and let's save it. And then share it. So what you'll do for this one is give me the map link, and so click on both of those boxes. Make sure to copy and paste that and put that in for your assignment for this particular map.